Good morning, dear students. This is Dharmbir Singh, your GK teacher. Dear students, we have completed Unit First, and this is seventh chapter from your Unit 2. That's India and the world. Now, today we will discuss a famous Indian leader. Many Indian freedom fighters contributed to attain a freedom. You remember today, okay? So there are lots of freedom fighters who used to fight for, who took part in our freedom. These are the freedom fighters you can see. Number one, Mahatma Gandhi. You have to write down the name in the space provided. And the second one is Jawaharlal Nehru. Third, Vallabhbhai Patel. Fourth, Sarojini Naidu. Fifth, Lala Rajpat Rai. Sixth, Subhash Chandra Bose. And seventh, Chandrasekhar Azad. Eighth, Bhagat Singh. Okay, so these are the clues given to you. Directly write down these answers. In your notebook, you can simply write down the names of write the topic freedom fighters and write down these 8 names in your. And the next is, dear students, chapter number 8, that is temple tour. And here are lots of temples given to you. India is a land of beautiful temples, and there are some famous temples of India. Write the name of places where these temples are located. You may take the help of clue boxes. Now if you blow down, if you see the golden temples is also known as a Sri Harmandir Sahib. Its dome is decorated with the gold of its surface. So if you see clue box, Mount Abu, Tanjavur, Delhi, Kolkata, Amritsar, lots of temples hints are given to you. You just look the photograph and try to locate the answer. If you see first one, dear student, is Delhi, okay. And the second one is Mount Abu, third one is Amritsar, and the fourth one is Kolkata, and the fifth one is Tanjavur. Okay, dear students, so this is your 8th chapter. Very small chapter, very easy, you can do it easily. And dear students, if you move to page number next, that is wonder of world. Okay, so there are these are the 7 wonders of the world given to you, dear students. Uncrambles the letter, jumbles what are given to you. You have to locate where, in which country these wonders are located. Like suppose left hand side, if you see Taj Mahal, now NDIAI, jumbled word is given to you. Simply you can locate Taj Mahal is located in India, so you have to write India in first. And if you locate second one, that is Chichen Itza, it is in Mexico. And if you look third one, Christ the Redeemer, it is in Brazil. And you Machu Picchu, it is in Peru. And fifth one is Colosseum, it is in Italy. And if you see Petra, Jojdnra, it is Jordan. And seventh one, Great Wall of China, if you easily locate China. Okay, so these are the photographs given to you left and right hand side. You have to locate in which part of these parts is given in and which country they are located. You have to just write down the names. Okay, and dear students, if you move to next one, that is 10th part, sobriquets are the nicknames given in the famous things, person or a place. These are the nickname given to the famous things, person or places. If you see, dear students, if you see page number 19 in your GK book 10th, that is the land of Dimtingson. The jumbled words given to you, so you have to DIMTIGNHNUSN. So what you have to write this in correct form. Okay, the land of dash, the land of midnight sun. Okay, Norway. And the second one is Japan, the land of dash. You have to write down rising sun. Okay, because sun rises first in Japan, that's why the land of rising sun, it is Japan. And the gift of dice, the gift of Nile river, it is located in Egypt, dear students. And fourth one, the land of dash, the land of the land of white elephant, it is in Thailand. Okay, Thailand is known as the land of white elephant. And if you see fifth one, the land of dash, the land of golden pagodas. So golden pagodas are located in Myanmar. Okay, So these are the hint given to you. The land of midnight sun, first one, it is Norway. The land of rising sun, it is in Japan. The gift of Nile is Egypt, and the land of white elephant, that is Thailand, and the land of golden pagodas, it is in Myanmar. Thank you dear student for watching this video, and just complete these chapters in your notebook and or fill in your book. It's very simple and you can easily locate these answer and write down properly. Okay, thank you dear student for watching this video. Thank you.